Okay, Assalamu alaikum. How are you, Sir Shuja and Sir Zubair?
Walaikum assalam
Walaikum,
wa rahmatullah, Sir Faraz.
Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullah. I'm fine, sir.
Okay,
I'm
good.
fine
And
also.
what were you doing before coming here?
Uh,
Ah,
I was just sitting with my friends, and
Okay.
soon I noticed that the time is going to be of our meeting. So I left that
Hmm.
place, that gathering, and returned here to
Okay.
talk with you people.
Okay.
I was doing dinner.
Okay. Have you taken the
Yeah,
dinner? It's too
yeah.
early.
Yes, it is quite
Actually,
early.
Oh, very good, very good. Huh?
from
Very
the
good.
fund of
It's good.
supper, basically. But
Okay.
Okay.
as per
Okay.
my routine.
I thought, Sir Zubair, you are in Peshawar and your Ramzan has been started.
No, no. I'm Punjab, Faisalabad.
Okay, okay, right, right.
Okay.
I was just
Okay.
kidding. I
Okay.
was just kidding.
Okay. It's a good habit. It is, very good for your health if you take dinner as early as you can,
As early as possible, soon after offering your Maghrib
as
prayer,
early as
if you have
possible.
it.
Yeah.
Yes, that is
Yeah.
nice.
This is the right time. After Maghrib is the right time to take dinner, actually.
Great. Yes, yes.
Actually, you can digest easily
Uh-huh.
if you take it
Yeah.
earlier.
Yes, yes, you're right.
Yeah. Definitely.
100%. And
Okay.
this is.
Yeah, Sir Shuja, actually, I want to say something because I observe, actually, we ask to someone or when someone asks to us, how are you? कि आप कैसे हैं? तो यूजुअली जो हमारा एक आंसर होता है वो बहुत ही शॉर्ट होता है फॉर एग्जांपल कि जैसे मैंने आपसे आज पूछा कि हाउ आर यू तो आप लोगों ने कहा या वी आर फाइन या आई एम फाइन या जस्ट फाइन ये सुनने में आता है
Yes, yes, yes.
not that in the society in which we are living that we don't have enough opportunity to speak English already. तो अब होना ये चाहिए तो we have to try extend our sentences as much as we can. तो यूजुअली जब कोई भी हमसे दोस्त हमारा पूछते हैं अस्सलाम वालेकुम हाउ आर यू तो हम फाइन कह के जान छुड़ा लेते हैं ना ऐसा नहीं करना ना हमें तो हमें उस सेंटेंस को लंबा करना है ना तो मैं सजेस्ट ये करूंगा कि एटलीस्ट हम लोगों को जवाब देना चाहिए इफ समवन आस्क्स यू दैट हाउ आर यू तो यू शुड रिप्लाई दैट आई एम क्वाइट वेल बाय द ग्रेस ऑफ अल्लाह
I'm quite
या और
well.
इसके
I'm quite
by
well
the
by the grace.
I am quite of Almighty Allah.
Take care. Yes, very good. Yes,
ठीक है
yes.
इसी तरह दूसरे सेंटेंसेस बहुत सारे यूज कर सकते हैं आप डिफरेंट सेंटेंसेस यूज करना भी नहीं है कि हर जगह पे जो भी 10 लोग आपसे पूछ रहे हैं हाउ आर यू या फाइन हाउ आर यू या फाइन इससे जान छोड़ाएं फाइन
Yes, please.
मिसाल के तौर पे इफ समवन आस्क्स यू दैट हाउ आर यू तो यू कैन रिप्लाई दैट आई ओवर द मून
I'm over the moon.
I am over the moon, yes.
I'm repeating those words because I think that I'm having some disturbance in between. That is why I'm repeating your words.
Okay,
So I'm over the moon.
okay, no
Okay, great,
problem. You
great,
can.
great, Sir
I am
Faraz.
over. Yeah, and the sentence flower.
Okay, I am as fresh as flower. Yes, great, great.
Yeah,
That is nice.
yeah, and you can replace the word flower, dewdrop.
Okay, okay, right, great.
बारिश
Okay,
का
okay.
जो होता है
Yes,
dewdrop.
yes, yes.
Yeah, उसी तरह में fresh होना.
Marshall. Okay, great, great.
I am kicking and alive. I am kicking and alive.
Okay, I'm thinking and alive. Okay, right.
Yeah, I am kicking and alive. मैं मजे कर रहा हूँ जी रहा हूँ. Someone asks you, how are you? You can reply that I am doing well.
I'm doing well.
Alhamdulillah, I'm doing well.
Alhamdulillah. By the grace of Allah
Yeah.
subhanahu wa ta'ala, Alhamdulillah, I'm doing well. Yes, yes, you are 100% right.
I'm doing
I did not
well.
think about these kind of things, but these things really matters when we want to have some prolonged conversation, or we can have some practice of these kind of sentences. So our can say tongue will be habitual of uttering those kind of sentences, or articulators will be used. Yes, and I want to add here, Sir Faraz and Sir Zubair, that we can have some good gestures whenever we are meeting someone, specifically when we are meeting some stranger somewhere, and we go towards him if we want to ask something, or just we are spending our time somewhere and we want to consume that time in a right manner. So we can go towards someone, be confident to have some conversation like the Englishmen do, and we can go there, we can have a smile on our face, and right, a good gesture, like energetic way of meeting. How about you? Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. And what's your health night right now? What do you do, sir? These kind of sentences can be used.
Yeah, you are 100% right. Gestures is also very important.
Okay, okay, thank you. So we can have some comments from Sir Zubair.
Okay, sir. Just like Sir Faraz were telling. Okay, I'm clear to you.
Yes, you are clear. And Sir Faraz talked about different ways of inviting yourself, or say, or the answer, how are you? Answer of how are you? How can you use different sentences?
Yeah. So I'm just telling and just extending this thing in the way of saying sorry.
Okay.
We can say sorry in different way. You mean if you have done something wrong, you may say, "I'm sorry, pardon me. I beg you pardon.
I beg your
I
pardon.
owe
Yes.
you, I owe you apology.
Okay.
Please excuse me." You
Uh-huh.
may say, "Excuse me," or you may say, "Please accept my apologies."
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
You may say, "Sorry, it was my fault." And you can also say, "It was stupid from my side." Mean you are just accepting that I have done something wrong, and you are saying sorry. And I want to apologize from you. You may use terribly, very, or you may use so. I'm so sorry.
Uh-huh.
Uh, One thing I was also just observed in the article, there was written, "My fault, bro." I think USA
Okay.
people they use this "my fault,
My
bro."
fault, bro.
When we are
Yeah.
little bit, when we are little bit informal somewhere, when we are having conversation with our friends, so we can say bro. These kind of says or bros can be used.
Gee.
Not
One
in
thing
formal manner.
I want to add one statement too.
Yes.
I take full responsibility what I have done. So it
Okay.
means you have done something wrong and you are taking responsibility and you are sorry about that.
Uh-huh. Very good.
So
Very good. I
In
impressed. We
simple
have to
words, we
learn.
can say that these are the ways of apologizing to someone actually.
Okay.
yeah,
Sir, thank you very much, both of you, and you have given me extensive knowledge, which is very much needed. But I think that when we generally say that first impression is the last impression in conversation, so if we know all those things, or if we extend our words in these manners, so they must have some good impact on the opponent, on the person whom we are talking about, talking to.
okay,
Okay.
sir. Thank you very much.
You welcome. You welcome. Thank you, Faraz sir. बहुत शुक्रिया sir. Assalamu alaikum wa
Okay,
rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
thank you. Okay.
Walaikum
Walaikum
assalam.
assalam.